Okay folks, today we are going to show you how to replace the ink
toner
on your brother's printer. Okay, so first thing first, pull out the cartridge. There you go. Then you're going to want to release. See right there, that's where you release it. Pull up the ink cartridge, or the toner cartridge. Then you're going to want to get the new one in. Make sure that pops back up. You're going to want to make sure you slide this back and forth. And make sure it's locked back in right there. And then you load it back up. And then please don't forget to like and subscribe.